Day 15 ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Lumabas na hindi otomatikong humihingi ng resibo at pinapayagan pa rin ang acknowledgement receipts sa mga biniling bagay gamit ang confidential funds. Pero sabi ng Commission on Audit, dapat may dagdag na pruweba. Nagkainita ng magkabilang panig na tinawag ng presiding officer na generational divide. May report si Joseph Moro.
The first AOM is...
Sa cross-examination ng defense team kay State Auditor Cylene May del Campo, binalikan ang pangalang kakaiba, tunog pagkain at sikat na nakapirma sa isinumiteng acknowledgement receipts ng Office of the Vice President sa liquidation ng confidential funds.
Nakikita niyo ba ho yung name dyan na Mary Grace Piatos?
Wala po.
How about Renan Piatos?
Wala din po.
Andy C. Lim?
Wala po.
Patty Ting?
Wala po.
If the name appears to be funny, does that automatically mean that the name is fictitious?
Your Honor, please, the question is misleading. The point of flashing these acknowledgement receipts were not the names. They were flashed because of the manner by which the funds were used.
Your
For
Honor.
medicines, Your Honor.
Counsel explaining
Attorney
again.
Gabonan, you have to admit you had fun. You had fun with the names
We had
too.
so-
So
That's
let her cross the witness based on those.
Hindi po ako makakasagot dun sa tanong na ganun.
Okay, basta walang findings na ganun, no?
Isa pang ipinunto ng depensa alinsunod sa joint circular, hindi automatikong humihingi ng resibo at pwede na ang acknowledgement receipts. Paglilinaw ng COA, humihingi sila ng ibang patunay para sa ibang confidential na gastusin.
So tables, chairs, pwedeng adequate records at hindi kailangan official receipts sa lahat ng panon. Depende sa kalagayan at sitwasyon.
Pero po kasi, ito po ay nagpe-pertain sa purchases. So, mas sufficient po sa amin kung maipapakita yung sales invoice at official receipts po.
Tinalakay rin ang liquidation sa isinumiteng Protective Intelligence Operation Report. Nakadetalye rito ang mga aktibidad ng bise at ang pinagamitan ng pondo para sa kanyang seguridad sa pagdalo sa mga ito.
Intelligence fusion for the threat assessment and situation update. Ano ho yan? Papasok ho yan sa intelligence or normal work lang yan ng OVP?
Sa intelligence.
Profiling of participants who will be attending the event provided by organizers. Part 2 ba yan ng normal na function ng OVP? Or papasok ho siya sa intelligence work?
Sa intelligence work.
Tanong naman ng prosecution, bakit ginamit ang pondo dito? Gayong may sariling security group ang bise na swelduhan.
If the security guards are being paid salaries, should these salaries be debited or reimbursed from confidential funds?
Isa po, yung salaries po, hindi po siya pwedeng i-charge sa confidential fund.
Isa pa sa ipinupunto ng prosecution, bahagi ba ng mandato ng opisina ng Vice President at Department of Education na magkaroon ng mga confidential funds? Sa madaling sabi, dapat ba na meron siyang confidential funds? Sabi ng prosecution, hindi. Sabi naman ng depensa, ibinigay ito sa bise. Uminit din ang iringan ng magkabilang panig.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor.
You are all members of the bar and
Yes,
you're
Your
all
Honor.
counsels
I submit,
for the parties.
submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally.
I promise to henceforth behave.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
can I please respond quickly lang, no? I have high respect for Attorney Kapunan. In fact, she's one of
You
my
can end there,
idols.
counsel.
Let's end here. Let's end here.
You can end there.
This
with
might
the high
sound like
respect.
it might sound like a eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Nabanggit ni Escudero ang generational divide o ang malaking agwat ng edad na Attorney Kapunan at Attorney Ferrer. May isa pang inireklamo ang depensa, ang social media post si Private Prosecutor Attorney Amando Ligutan.
I find it troubling that a private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing. Attorney Ferrer was only saying that leading questions are allowed on cross-examination. I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall,
Nasa pagdinig si Atty. Ligutan pero sa susunod na hearing na lamang siya pasasagutin. Pero nagpaliwanag siya sa media.
With all the respect po, kung babasahin doon, I am asking you, did I mention a name? Did I mention what case? Zero. Nothing. Nada.
Joseph Morong, GMA News.